It is Thursday, May 9th, 2024. We're at the East Broad Top 3-foot narrow gauge East Broad Top Railroad, Rockhill Furnace, Pennsylvania. Just some views of the facilities here. This is the blacksmith shop. There's the roundhouse.
Yeah, it would have been nice.
Here's a passenger train with a GE, probably 44-tonner caboose. Coal for steam for the 6 steam locomotives.
You lost the leader.
No, I was directing everybody that way.
This is part of our annual meeting of the Pennsylvania Railroad Technical and Historical Society at Altoona, Pennsylvania. And the event today was this trip to the East Broad Top Railroad here at Rockhill Furnace, Pennsylvania. And the station, passenger station in the distance, is actually Orbisonia, Pennsylvania. So right now we're in Rockhill Furnace. The station's in Orbisonia. And we were going to have a special photo charter trip with a steam locomotive number 16, but it's got cracked driving wheels, so we're going to have this train with a GE. It's a 44-tonner or maybe 60-tonner. So lunch going to be in the station?
Right back there.
Oh, super. Thank you.
Yep. Thank you for coming out.
Thank you. And just to show the difference between standard gauge and narrow gauge, we're looking at a Pennsylvania Railroad X29 boxcar and a East Broad Top 3-foot gauge hopper car. Oh, looks like our lunch is going to be behind the Orbisonia station. Again, we're in Rockhill Furnace, but the station we're looking at is in Orbisonia, Twin Cities, you might say, in Pennsylvania. Right now, the East Broad Top is running passenger trains, I believe Thursdays through Sundays. Let's have a look toward Shirleysburg. Oh, we're looking north toward Colgate, the north end of the line, presently Colgate Grove near Shirleysburg, Pennsylvania. Here's a view looking south at the old complex. Well, let's go to the lunch. A little bit about the East Broad Top. It's 3-foot gauge, the headquarters, Rockhill Furnace, where we've just been. It operated from 1871 to 1956. It was designated National Historic Landmark in 1964. The tourist operation ceased in 2011 after 9 years closure. In February 2020, it was announced that the railroad had been purchased by a non-profit foundation, and regular train service resumed in the summer of 2021. Population of Rockhill Furnace, population is 414. Population of Orbisonia is 449. Again, the East Broad Top Railroad, now Orbisonia, Pennsylvania. Thursday, May 9th, 2024, over and out.